Type 2 diabetes affects millions worldwide each year, hindering the body's ability to use glucose and potentially causing kidney and nerve damage. Given the rising cases, it's crucial to know the early signs: frequent urination, increased thirst, extreme hunger, unintended weight loss, fatigue, blurred vision, slow healing of wounds, frequent infections, numbness or tingling in extremities, and dark skin patches. Recognizing these symptoms and taking immediate action can prevent the disease from progressing. Consult a healthcare professional if you notice any of these signs. Here are 9 early warning signs of diabetes that you must be aware of. Warning signs of diabetes. 1. Increased and more frequent urination. A significant increase in the number of times you urinate is the most common sign of type 2 diabetes. When the sugar levels in the blood are too high, the kidneys cannot keep up with the amount of glucose and try to remove the excess sugar from the blood, which leads to an individual urinating more often. An average individual urinates 5 to 7 times a day. If you feel like urinating immediately after you just went, it can be a warning sign. The production of more urine can also increase the risk of urinary tract infection. You should consider getting yourself examined by a doctor if you notice that you need to go to the bathroom more often than before. 2. Increased thirst. If you have been feeling thirsty more than usual, it can be a glaring symptom of type 2 diabetes. You may feel thirsty even when you just drank water in such a condition. Drinking more water leads to more urination and feeds the urination cycle. You feel thirsty because your body loses additional water when it removes the excess sugar from the blood. 3. Always feeling hungry. The body of people with type 2 diabetes cannot use insulin properly to help the glucose get into the cells. That is why they cannot get adequate energy from the food they consume, resulting in constantly feeling hungry. Excessive hunger, also called polyphagia, is one of the most prominent signs of type 2 diabetes. 4. Sudden weight loss. Any unexplained weight loss is a reason for concern and calls for an immediate examination. People with type 2 diabetes lose weight fast because their cells do not get enough glucose. And the body burns muscle and fat to get energy. Also, when they urinate more frequently, they tend to lose water and more calories from the body, which eventually results in weight loss. 5. Blurred vision. The eye lens is a flexible membrane adjusted by muscles for focusing. Excessive blood sugar can damage tiny blood vessels in the eyes, causing blurry vision in one or both eyes for people with type 2 diabetes. This blurriness may come and go as the body adapts to sugar levels. If you experience temporary blurriness, see a doctor. Ignoring this can lead to serious conditions like blindness. 6. Fatigue. With a busy lifestyle and heavy workload, feeling tired is quite common. But, if you feel tired and constantly exhausted when you haven't done any physical activity, it can be a warning sign of type 2 diabetes. Please do not ignore this symptom in such cases as it can lead to other health issues. Fatigue is the result of insufficient sugar moving from the bloodstream into the cells of the body. 7. Wounds that take too much time to heal. When your body has too much sugar level, it can damage blood vessels and nerves. This impairs and slows blood flow, and even the small wounds take time to heal. These wounds and cuts that heal slowly can increase the chances of getting an infection. People with type 2 diabetes often get blisters and ulcers in their feet which take a lot of time to heal and result in fatal complications. Do not ignore this sign because prolonged abnormal sugar levels can cause damage to your immune system, making it hard for your body to fight infections. 8. Foot pain and numbness. Prolonged high blood sugar levels can damage nerves throughout the body. People with type 2 diabetes often experience tingling, aches, and numbness, starting in their feet and spreading elsewhere. Numbness can be dangerous, as unnoticed bruises and blisters can lead to infections. If you feel sudden pain in your feet, consult a doctor immediately. 9. Dark skin patches on the neck. Dark, thickened skin patches on the neck, groin, and armpits can be symptoms of type 2 diabetes, indicating insulin resistance and high blood sugar levels. These patches, known as acanthosis nigricans, should prompt medical consultation. You can effectively reduce the complications by diagnosing this disease early and making appropriate changes in your lifestyle.